To utilize Wix for email marketing, access Wix Email Marketing. Log into your Wix account and access the dashboard. Navigate to the Marketing and SEO or Marketing Integrations section. Choose Email Marketing. Find and select the email marketing feature or app offered by Wix. Create email campaigns. Use Wix's intuitive editor to create email campaigns. Choose from various templates or start from scratch. Customize the content, images, and layout to align with your board. Segment your audience. Organize your contact list into segments based on demographics, behavior, or preferences. Target specific groups with tailored messages. Automate campaigns. Set up automated email sequences for welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, or special offers using Wix's automation tools. Personalize emails. Personalize your emails by addressing recipients by name and sending relevant content based on their interactions with your site. Preview and test. Preview your emails to ensure they display correctly on different devices. Send test emails to check for any issues before launching your campaign. Analyze performance. Track email performance metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Use this data to optimize future campaigns. Compliance and consent. Ensure compliance with email marketing regulations and obtain consent from subscribers by providing clear opt-in and opt-out options.